Hi everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice video.
Before we start, promise me one thing. Do not skip any part of this video.
Today, we will learn the only 5 English tenses you really need to speak fluent English. Skipping even one step can make your sentences weak.
Each tense is like a ladder. Skip one step, and you cannot climb properly. Watch carefully, repeat after us, and you will see results.
Are you ready? Let's start.
The first tense is present simple.
We use it for habits, routines, and facts.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
She drinks coffee every morning.
Repeat slowly. I wake up at 7
7
a.m. She drinks
coffee every morning.
Mini conversation. Alex, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast every morning.
Vocabulary. Habit, routine, every day.
Present continuous tense. Actions happening now. The second tense is present continuous.
We use it for actions happening right now. Examples. I am speaking English. She is reading a book.
Repeat after me. I am speaking English. She is reading. Mini conversation. What are you doing now?
I am learning English with you.
Vocabulary. Right now. Currently.
Past simple tense. Actions in the past. Used for actions finished in the past. Examples. I visited New York last year. She watched a movie yesterday.
Repeat slowly. I visited New York last year. She watched a movie yesterday.
Mini conversation. Alex, did you watch the football match yesterday?
Yes, I saw it. It was amazing.
Vocabulary. Yesterday. Last year.
Future simple tense. The fourth tense is future simple. We use it to talk about future actions. Examples. I will call you tomorrow. She will visit her friend next week. Repeat slowly. I will call you tomorrow. She will visit her friend next week. Mini conversation. Will you help me tomorrow? Yes, I will help you after lunch. Vocabulary. Will. Prediction.
Present perfect tense. Experience plus connection to now.
The fifth tense is present perfect.
Used for experiences or things that happened in the past but affect the present. Examples. I have visited London.
She has learned English for 3 years.
Repeat slowly. I have visited London.
She has learned English for 3 years.
Mini conversation. Alex, have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes, I have. It's delicious.
Vocabulary. Experience. Practice round 1. Interactive. Now let's practice all 5 tenses. I will ask, Bella will answer, then repeat after us.
Present simple. I wake up at 6 a.m. Present continuous. I am speaking English now. Past simple. I watched a movie yesterday. Future simple. I will call my friend tomorrow. Present perfect. I have learned 5 new words today.
Speak slowly.
Mini real-life dialogues. Role play.
Let's use all tenses in a real-life conversation at home.
Good morning. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs every day.
What are you doing right now?
I am learning English with you.
Did you watch the news yesterday?
Yes, I watched the news last night.
Will you visit your friend tomorrow?
Yes, I will meet my friend tomorrow.
Have you ever visited a new country?
Yes, I have visited France last year.
Repeat all sentences slowly.
Practical tips and common mistakes. Alex, many learners confuse tenses. Let's practice slowly to avoid mistakes. Tip 1. Always remember time words. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, ever. Tip 2. Use verb forms correctly. Play becomes played, go becomes went, eat becomes eaten. Tip 3. Repeat after me for fluency. I am learning English now. I visited my friend yesterday.
Mixing present simple and present continuous. Bella, many English learners make one big mistake. They mix present simple and present continuous.
Really? How do they mix it?
Present simple is for habits, things you do every day. Present continuous is for actions happening right now.
Can you give me examples?
Of course. Wrong. I am going to school every day. Correct. I go to school every day. Wrong. I eat breakfast now. Correct. I am eating breakfast now.
Oh, so present simple equals routine, present continuous equals right now.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Alex, slow practice. I go to work every day. I am going to work now.
I go to work every day. I am going to work now.
Past simple versus present perfect.
Alex, I always get confused between past simple and present perfect.
Most learners do, but don't worry, we'll fix it today. Past simple equals specific time in the past. Present perfect equals life experience, no time given.
Examples, please?
Sure. I, wrong, went to Paris ever. Correct, I have been to Paris. I saw that movie already. Correct, I have already seen that movie.
So present perfect is like connecting past to now.
Yes, let's practice. I have visited Dubai. I have never tried sushi. I have lived here for 2 years.
I have visited Dubai. I have never tried sushi.
Using tenses in daily life. Bella, do you know the fastest way to remember tenses?
Practice?
Not just practice. Use tenses in your real daily routine. Let me show you. Morning, present simple. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. Afternoon, present continuous. I am working. I am studying English. Night, past simple. I watched a video. I cooked dinner. I talked to my friend.
Wow, this makes learning so easy.
Use tenses throughout the day.
Exactly.
Bella, let's do a mini conversation using all 5 tenses.
Okay, let's try.
What do you do every day?
I study English every morning.
What are you doing now?
I'm watching your lesson.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched an English movie.
Will you study tomorrow?
Yes, I will study at night.
Have you practiced English tenses before?
Yes, I have practiced many times.
Amazing.
Using will for plans.
Alex, I hear native speakers say going to a lot. Why not will?
Great question. Many learners mistakenly use will for plans. Will equals new, sudden decision. Going to equals planned action. Examples. Wrong, I will meet my friend tonight. Correct, I am going to meet my friend tonight.
Oh, so if my plan is already decided, I must use going to.
Yes. Let's practice. I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to call my mom. I'm going to clean my room.
I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to call my mom. I'm going to clean my room.
Daily 2-minute speaking routine. Bella, here is the most powerful fluency method.
Tell me, I want to know.
Every day, speak English for 2 minutes and use all 5 tenses. I wake up at 7, present simple. I am drinking tea, present continuous. Yesterday, I played football, past simple. Tomorrow, I will visit my friend, future simple. I have learned new words today, present perfect.
Wow, this is simple. And I can do it anywhere.
Exactly. And if you do this daily, your English will improve faster than any class if you practiced all 5 tenses today. Congratulations! Every sentence you spoke makes you stronger and more confident.
English is not just a language. It is confidence, courage, opportunity. Even one sentence a day can change your life.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Check the next video for more slow, clear English practice.
Keep practicing every day. Keep speaking. Keep growing. See you in the next video.